Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 1. Lesson 3 and 4, reading plus discussion. I am telling again, our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson 3 and 4, reading plus discussion. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 2 and homework number 2. My dear students, in this connection, I request all of my students of class 6 to open your agriculture studies book, page number 4. Agriculture studies book, page number 4 at first. It is lesson 3, agriculture related necessary information and source of getting services. I hope all of you have opened your agriculture studies book. In these connections, I request you to look at both. So look here, lesson 3, agriculture related necessary information and source of getting services. This is the title of lesson 3. Information on agricultural matters and services are given to farmer by an experienced farmer, agriculture extension officers and staff of Directorate of Agriculture, Directorate of Livestock and Directorate of Fisheries. Responsibilities of the respective officials and persons are discussed below. So look here, some points. At first points, then the descriptions. A. Experienced farmer. An experienced farmer is a local leader and an advisor. He spontaneously keeps connections with the local agriculture extension officers and inquires about new technologies. Moreover, he collects information from mass media. As a result, he becomes familiar as a local storehouse of information. When the extension officer visits an area, they seek the help of an experienced farmer and visit farmers' houses and farms with him and sometimes sit at a meeting at the farmer's courtyard. In these connections, dear learners, look here, picture is seen. So look here, meeting is gathered in the farmer's courtyard. It is called farmer's meeting. Thus, experienced farmers can increase their agricultural knowledge. Then they give advice to the local farmer on agricultural matters. So look here, farmers suffer from many problems regarding crops. For example, crop disease, attack of insect, flood, drought, etc. For facing an unfavorable situation, farmers primarily seek the advice of an experienced farmer, and he also sincerely gives advice to the primarily farmers as far as he knows. Okay. Now B number segment, it is agriculture related directorates. Extension officers of Directorate of Agriculture, Extension, Directorate of Livestock, Directorates of Fisheries provide information and services from their own position. They prepare poster, leaflet, booklets on specific technology and distribute among the farmers. Again, agriculture information is circulated through radio and television. To circulate agricultural information, there is an organization named Agriculture Information Service. Extension workers visit farmers' houses and farms. They conduct meeting with the farmers, demonstrate new technology or procedure and show the results of using new technologies. They organize agricultural fairs and training for the farmers. The most attractive thing is that the farmers identify their problems and solve some of them by themselves. The problems that cannot be solved are advised by the extension workers. Additionally, farmers' field school has been established through the Directorate of Agricultural Extension. The farmers are being trained on integrated crop management through this school. Our next part is, it is local agriculture office. To give services to the farmers in each upazila of Bangladesh, there is an agriculture office, a livestock office and a fishery office. These offices are operated by skilled agriculturists. Grassroots level official employees hold meeting with farmers. In the meeting, farmers' problems are discussed and solutions are given below. Okay, number D, it is agricultural fair. Modern agricultural technology, agricultural tools and produced agricultural products can be seen only through agricultural fair. It is very important to organize such fair in the cities as well as villages. It is possible to see at a glance the yield of Dear learners, now we need to go to our next page number 6, to have the rest part of this lesson 3. Various crop in the fair, seedlings, seed fertilizer, agricultural technology equipments, etc. are displayed and sold in the fair. Agriculture related different leaflets, book, bulletins, magazines also displayed in the fair and are distributed free among visitors. As a result, people who are involved in agricultural activities as well as those who are not involved are inspired in agricultural activities. So, to get agricultural information, there is no alternative to the agricultural fairs. Dear students, now look at a picture, this picture agricultural fair. The picture is about agricultural fair. That means, okay, through the agricultural fairs we have lot of informations which we have already got. Now lesson 4, the title is Agricultural Education and Research Institutions. Okay, now A number, agricultural education. Agricultural education has been given at different levels of education system in Bangladesh for a long time in secondary schools. Agricultural education has been attached to higher secondary and madrasa education. Dropped out learners are acquired knowledge in agricultural activities. There are 16 public and 154 private agricultural training institutions in Bangladesh. Look, I am underlining. Okay, look, there are 16 public and 154 private agricultural training institutions in Bangladesh. Besides, there are private agricultural training institutes. In short, it is ATIS. The ATIS offer 4-year agriculture diploma under the academic control of Technical Education Board. There are 5 government agricultural universities for higher educational agricultural education. Agriculture faculties operated at 2 science and technology universities. Besides, there are agricultural facilities at Khulna and Russia universities. Graduation and post-graduation degrees are offered from agricultural universities and faculty of agriculture. B number, Agriculture Research Institute. There are so many agricultural research institutes in Bangladesh. Most of the research institutes conduct researches on specific crops. Bangladesh Rice Research Institute researches on improved rice varieties and related technology for innovation. Bangladesh Jute Research Institute does all types of research for jute development. Dear learners, look here. There is a pictures related research institute. I think you can see it properly. Bangladesh Sugarcane Research Institute does all types of research for sugarcane development. Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute and Bangladesh Institute of Nuclear Agriculture carry out research on different crops. After completing graduation or post-graduation from agricultural university, meritorious agriculturists join research institute. They are engaged in research to innovate technology. As a result, farmers are capable of using many technologies on improved crop seeds, new varieties and protection from disease and pest. Besides, research institute conduct research on animal and fish. Bangladesh Life Research Institute and Fish Research Institute are there to do such types of research. Technologies have been innovated to animal births like this one. As a result, the business of protein production has been increased. People are informed about development in agriculture through the publications of leaflets and booklets from all research. Our last segment is agricultural scientist. An agricultural scientist is one who works in an agricultural institutions and innovates newer varieties. He can explain nicely the life cycle of a crop and he stores different types of agricultural information. Such scientists are developing new crops, animal breeds and preservation method of crops, and it is bringing welfare to the country. Dear learners, now your homework. This is your homework number 2. Okay, homework number 2, and your homework is you will prepare or make 5 MCQ. Okay, so look here, I am writing 5 MCQ from lesson 3 and 4. So look here, your homework is homework number 2 and you will prepare 5 MCQ from lesson 3 and 4. This is your homework and this is your second number homework. My dear students, I hope that all of you have understood the second important class of agriculture, and please do your homework properly. Finally, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.